Welcome back to See My Review. Today, we're diving into something really exciting. The brand new Real Madrid 2025-26 home shirt, straight from Adidas. Let's crack open this box and take our first look at this stunning piece of football history. Opens box, reveals jersey, wow. Right off the bat, you can tell this one's something special, classic all-white base, subtle detailing, and it just screams quality. We're going to take a close look at all the design elements and also tell you where you can grab one for yourself. And yes, there's a sale going on right now, so stay tuned. This shirt really honors the legacy of Real Madrid. It's inspired by two unforgettable seasons, 2009-10, when Cristiano Ronaldo made his iconic debut, and 2015-16, when the club conquered Europe yet again. You've got the signature all-white color, but with modern upgrades like yellow side piping, soft gray accents on the sleeve cuffs, and those bold black Adidas and sponsor logos. The round collar is both comfortable and stylish. You'll love how it feels whether you're at the stadium, on the pitch, or just out and about. Adidas didn't just make this jersey to look good. It's built for performance too. The fabric is breathable and lightweight, with moisture-wicking tech that keeps you cool and dry. Whether you're playing a match or cheering from the stands, this jersey is designed to keep up with you. And the fit? It strikes a great balance. Athletic but comfortable, making it perfect for all-day wear. Alright guys, that wraps up today's unboxing and review here on See My Review. If you liked the video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a new drop. We've got more unboxings and exclusive deals coming your way. If you're a fashion lover looking for that perfect blend of style, quality, and affordability, let me put you on to a hidden gem, Okkinetic.com. This site has quickly become a go-to destination for high-quality jerseys and trendy fashion items that not only look good, but feel authentic. Whether you're hunting for the latest team jersey to rep your squad or a streetwear piece that'll turn heads, Okkinetic has something for everyone. The product range is seriously impressive, featuring everything from classic sportswear to fresh, fashion-forward designs that match perfectly with your favorite kicks. What really sets Okkinetic apart is their commitment to authenticity and customer satisfaction. Every item is carefully curated and quality checked, so you know you're getting the real deal, not a cheap knockoff. On top of that, their prices are surprisingly affordable, making it easy to upgrade your wardrobe without breaking the bank. The site offers secure payment methods for peace of mind, lightning-fast shipping so you're not waiting forever, and top-tier customer service that actually cares. Yes, they respond quickly and help you out without the runaround. Whether you're unboxing your first jersey or adding to your collection, Okkinetic makes the experience smooth and satisfying. If you're all about clean fits, exclusive drops, and stress-free shopping, Okkinetic.com is a site you definitely